everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Repairs. A customer hired us to install some new laminated flooring. You can see it's 7 inches wide. It's kind of like have a hand scrape distress look to it. It's 12 millimeters thick, so it's heavy duty. We'll be installing about 1,200 square feet throughout this house. The living room, the dining room, the kitchen, the hallway. And then folks, we have 3 bedrooms to do. We have a bedroom here, bedroom here, and then the master bedroom. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your laminate floor, any kind of wood floor you have to be installed, repaired. We also specialize in scratch removals. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day. We look forward to your phone call. We're more than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Have a great day and bye for now.